Hi guys, this is my 25th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to explain about the questions at 25. So let's start by the first question. Find the average obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So let's type the query, select. Okay guys, this is the query for the first question. So let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, 71.875 is the average mark of mathematics in the first term. So this is the query. I selected the subject name and the average mark from the exam mark record table and the subject table by an inner join. The condition is subject name mathematics and the term ID is from term ID 1 means the first term. So the next question is find the average obtained in the second term single subject. Okay, we can keep the same query. Now let's execute the query. Okay, you can see the 88.125 is the average mark of the singular language at the second term. So let's go to the next question. The next question is find the average of the marks obtained by Sachitra Vikramasinghe student in all the subjects. First of all, let's write this query. Okay guys, here is the query for the third question. So let's see the query. I selected the average mark from the student exam mark record and inner join subject, exam term, student tables, and then condition is first name Sachitra's, last name Vikramasinghe, and the exam date is 2027-10. So let's run the query and see the result. Okay, 63.443 are the result. If you want, you can add the first name too here. Okay, let's run the query. You can see Sachitra Vikramasinghe got 63.33334 for the second term as the average marks he got. Okay, then let's go to the next question. Arrange the marks obtained by all the students of class 11A in the first term in ascending order. Okay, it's very easy question. Select. Okay guys, this is the query for the fourth question. Let's see the query. I selected the first name and last name from the student table marked from the exam result table, exam mark record table. So then I inner join the subject, exam term, student and also the class, and then the condition is the term name, first name, and the class name is 11A. Then I executed the query. You can see then they are telling us to arrange them in ascending order. So type order. Then let's run the query. Okay, you can see the marks are arranged in ascending order, and here is the first name and the last name, and we done the questions at 25. So this is the end of my video. Hope you guys will see in my questions in 26 video. Thank you guys for watching.